Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video, I will show you best plagiarism checker online, absolutely free of cost. With this, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So the plagiarism checker name is smallseotools.com/plagiarism checker. So for checking your text plagiarism, you have to go to this link. So firstly, you have to copy this link. I will put this link in the video description. I'll go to one of your browser and paste this link. For this interface where we have to put our text in this box and we have to check the plagiarism. So I have already taken some text. I will copy this text and paste this in the plagiarism checker code. Now I will check the plagiarism. So click on check plagiarism. So it has detected successfully, and here is showing that the result 100% plagiarism and exact match 100%, unique 0%, which is really true. I have taken this text from a browser, so they are also showing the sources where I have got this text. So this tool is really amazing. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And so thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe button and see you in the next video.